Pass your driving test by successfully completing the exercise left something behind. Welcome to Driving School WA Tutorials. When you perform exercise left something behind in your driving assessment, we should not be too close to any bus stop, regardless of which side is it on. So, if it's on the left-hand side, it's understandable that obviously you might be blocking the designated bay where the bus is supposed to pull over and pick up the passengers. People get confused, why should I avoid parking across the road where there's a bus stop? Okay, so that's what I'm going to explain to you in a minute. So when you understand why, it is very unlikely that you're ever going to make that mistake. And besides, if you live in upmarket suburb, your car, if you parked across the road to the bus stop, your car might get towed away. There's been a few instances in some upmarket suburbs such as Dalkeith, Peppermint Grove, Netherlands. It's probably not going to happen in Girraween or Mirrabooka if you live there, so you shouldn't worry about it. The most bus drivers need to adhere to the timetable. So if you parked across the road to where the bus stop is, the bus driver that's coming from that direction was a few minutes early. So, if they get here, say, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever amount of time. If they get there early and you park there and you wanted to go and visit your friends, to have a cup of coffee or something. So, you've got to understand that you would be blocking the street. So all the traffic will be blocked, okay? So any cars coming from, that side or that side will be blocked. So you should never park within minimum of 10 meters. We suggest about 20 meters, so that would be a couple of driveways worth, because nowadays you've got these double buses and it's best to leave enough space for the traffic to flow. So whatever you do, don't park next to the bus stop, opposite the, across the road to the bus stop, or clearly on the same side where you would obviously be blocking the designated bay. If the bus driver is early, they're going to have to sit there and wait, because if it's scheduled to leave at 7:52 and he arrives at 7:47, the bus driver is going to have to wait. If you realise after you've stopped, if you realise that you are across the road to the bus stop or in the bay or too close to the bay on your side, it's okay to tell the assessor, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realise, I'm just going to move up a little bit further, but you've got to do that. It's got to be your initiative. If they prompt you to do it, they will discontinue the driving assessment. Now that you know why, I'm sure you're never going to make this particular mistake. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.